Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of GLS shipping connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. The application seamlessly integrates GLS logistics service into Odoo, automating label generation, tracking, and shipping status updates. This module enhances operational efficiency by streamlining order fulfillment, reducing manual errors, and ensuring timely deliveries. With real-time tracking and multi-shipment management, businesses can improve customer satisfaction and optimize their shipping workflow. So, first of all, we will go into the sales module. Under configuration, we will find a menu for delivery methods. Open that, and here you will find a delivery method name GLS NL. Here, under GLS configuration, you will find some credentials. Enter that like GLS username, GLS password, subscription key. After all of this, you can also test your connection just by clicking on here. You can see that your login is successful. Now, remove that. Now, in shipment type, select parcel shipments. In express services, enable the toggle and select the express services type. Here I have selected delivery before 9 on weekends. Publish this delivery method. Now, under orders, we will go into the quotation and we will create a new quotation from here. Add a customer. I'm selecting Azure as my customer. Now, we will add products into our order line. Here I have selected conference chair and acoustic block in my order line. Now save this. Now we will go into the add shipping button and here select your shipping method. I am selecting GLS NL. Now click on get rate and click on add. Here you can see the shipping method is added into your order lines. After this, confirm this sale order. Here you can see a delivery is created. Open that delivery and here you can see the delivery number. You can see the products. Under additional info, you will find the carrier as GLS NL. Now we will go and update the quantity and then validate our delivery. Here, after validating the delivery, you can see in the logs that a label is generated and also a tracking link is generated. Here you can see the tracking reference also under additional info. You can track from clicking on the tracking number. Here you have redirected to GLS and you can track your order from here. And if you open the PDF, you will find a label for your tracking. Here you can see all the information with the address. Now, if I want to return this, we will click on return button. Here you can see you need to update the quantity first. We updated the quantity for return and then click on return. Here after clicking on return, you can see a return order is created. You can see the number. Under additional info, in carrier, select GLS NL and then save it. Now validate your return order. After you validate your return order, you can see a label and a tracking reference is created. Here you can see the label and tracking reference. You can open the PDF label form. Now we will again go into our delivery from here. Now we will click on cancel besides tracking number, tracking reference. Here you will get a confirmation. Now click on OK. Here you can see you will get a message for shipment is cancelled and also the tracking reference will be blank. Now here you will find a button for send to shipper. Click on that and you can see after clicking on that, your tracking reference will again be updated. Here it is loading and after it is loaded, you can see the tracking reference is updated and again a label and a tracking number is generated. Here you can see the tracking label. Now, after this, you can go into the shipments and select freight shipments in the shipment time. User can see unit type field and select any unit type. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.